If your Greenworks battery won't charge, start with a quick visual inspection. Power down the tool and remove the battery before touching any connectors. Check the battery and charger ports for damage, debris, or bent pins. Clean contacts gently with a dry cloth or compressed air to remove corrosion. Reconnect firmly until you hear or feel a secure click from the latch. Try resetting the battery by removing it for 60 seconds and reinserting it. If still unresponsive, test battery voltage with a multimeter set to DC volts. A healthy 48V pack should read approximately its rated voltage under no load. If voltage is low, try charging with a known good Greenworks charger to confirm. If the battery charges with a different charger, replace your original charger. If problems persist, contact Greenworks support and provide model and serial numbers. Always follow safety guidelines, wear gloves, and dispose of damaged batteries properly.